Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Oral Health Management by Dr. Alka Khade. Today we came up with a new topic, that is ortho treatment. Prior to the ortho treatment, what precautions should be taken, that we are going to see in this video. So friends, do watch the video till the end. First and foremost, if you are not doing your regular routine dental checkup, please start doing it. It's my request to you all. Your oral hygiene should be in good condition prior putting the braces. If there is any gingivitis, that is inflammation or redness of the gums, or any pockets, that is a perio or pyrrhia, that has to be treated prior putting braces. If there is any bleeding gums, we advise scaling, that is cleaning of the teeth, and we prescribe vitamin C tablet to make your gums healthy. If there is any cavities or caries tooth or multiple teeth, that has to be filled with filling. If there is any deep cavities, RC should be done after confirmed by X-rays. Radiograph, that is a full mouth radiograph, should be advised to see your bone level, position of the teeth, underlying nerves and other structures before putting your braces. Braces treatment primarily advisable in early childhood, teenage or adult, where there is bone density is low. So adjustment of the teeth with the help of orthodontic wiring and brackets will be more easy, and time of the total treatment will be within a year or 1 year only. That is the total span of the treatment. But if one want to put braces at 30s or 40s or even 50s, treatment is possible, but total span of the treatment is longer than normal. It takes 1.5 years or 2 years or more than that. So I advise to all the patient that if your child or near dear one suffering from any crowding or spacing or any anterior region, that is a front teeth gap, do think of the orthodontic treatment. Just start before you regret. Some child or adult has proclination or proclined anterior teeth, that is front teeth, overbite or overjet, tongue thrusting habits, that is because of large tongue in her or his mouth, lower teeth proclined and had spacing between the teeth. In such cases, we have to correct the habit of tongue thrusting by giving the tongue thrusting appliances. Afterwards, we'll put braces to correct the malocclusion, that is incorrect alignment of the teeth. So friends, I would suggest patient from low socio-economic status or medium socio-economic status to scheduled monthly appointment for cavity filling, so they won't be get any financial burden. Once they get finished with all the required treatment, we will start our braces treatment. Due to the burden of the expenses for the ortho treatment is quite high, so we have given concession of monthly payment or facilities to all my patients, so they don't get stressed or being over budget. किसी महान व्यक्ति ने कहा है, the best thing to share is knowledge. तो आप भी मैंने आपसे जो शेयर किया है वो जरूर शेयर कीजिए. It's never late to start. Just start before you regret. Thank you. See you soon with the next video. Bye bye.